Every product of VBL embodies top quality resulting from the finest ingredients, the most advanced brewing and packaging processes. VBL's top quality and globally recognized products are the pride of its employees and customers. Heineken beer is made from malt, hop, yeast, and water. The first ingredient, malt, is made from barley, by a malting process based on Heineken standards, adopted by all Heineken breweries worldwide. The second ingredient is hop, which is planted in a temperate climate. Only hop cones are used as they contain lupulin, which provides beer its characteristic bitterness and aroma. The next is yeast from the Netherlands. In 1886, Dr. Elian, a student of Louis Pasteur, developed the yeast strain, which is used to this day to give Heineken its characteristic flavor. The final ingredient is water, which for beer, needs to be pure. A perfect combination of yeast, the finest hops, top quality malt, and pure water, is the secret behind Heineken beer. The brewing time and recipe for Heineken are different from those for Tiger and Larue. But the brewing technology and quality control systems for these products are the same to ensure their top quality. The brewing process starts with grinding malt. Malt from the silo is transferred to the brewhouse through conveyors. Ground malt and water are heated in a mash tun, allowing starch to be converted into fermentable sugars. The mixture of malt and water, which is called mash, is filtered to separate spent grains, to create wort. Hops are added to boiling wort, to enhance the taste and aroma, and also to allow the foam head to develop. The mixture of hops and wort is whirled to remove hop sediments. The wort is then cooled at 9 degrees Celsius. And air is added in preparation for the fermentation process. Next is the fermentation. At a low temperature, yeast is added to the wort to produce alcohol, CO2 and aroma, thus changing the wort to mature beer. The mature beer is then filtered to remove the remaining traces of yeast and protein, to create bright beer for packaging. The bright beer is transferred from cold cellars through a pipeline system to bottling, canning, or keg lines, according to production demands. This is a closed packaging system that uses the most advanced machinery and technology. All steps of the process are all run automatically under a tight control system to ensure consistent quality. All our finished products have undergone extensive quality checks from the start to the finish of the process and are also tested by our technical experts. Only the products meeting the required standards are taken to the storage. With advanced European technologies, VBL's bottling and canning lines run with a capacity of 90,000 cans per hour, and 50,000 bottles per hour. VBL applies the highest standards for maintenance and transportation, at its breweries and entire distribution system, to ensure the products reaching consumers are of top quality every single time. VBL has invested 200 billion Vietnamese dongs, or $10 million so far, in wastewater treatment systems at its 4 breweries. Thanks to its advanced technology, the water discharged from its breweries always meets the regulated standards. The wastewater biotreatment system, with a complete process of pump pit, balancing tank, MER tank, aeration tank, is optimally run. And from this, methane is retrieved to generate thermal energy for the brewery, and sludge is collected as fertilizer. The water remaining at the end of the treatment process, which can be used for watering plants and raising fishes, is testimony to the quality of water discharged from VBL's wastewater treatment facility. The passion for perfection is reflected at every stage of VBL's brewing process. From selecting the finest ingredients, to the brewing and packaging technology, and wastewater treatment. This is to ensure that consumers always have an enjoyable experience when using VBL's products. VBL, which has received the Heineken Quality Award for 9 times, and the Tiger Quality Award for 4 times by 2014, prides itself on offering Vietnamese consumers international premium beers produced right in this country.